Start with this. Want to cook with your kids but don't know where to start? Start with this. 1 egg. This 1 egg teaches your child more than you think while increasing their kitchen confidence and creating a fun, simple cooking experience together for you. Today we are taking action while keeping it simple. This is 1 egg. That's it. You don't need a complicated recipe. Just start here. No fancy kitchen equipment required. If you want more simple ways to start cooking with your kids without it feeling overwhelming, make sure to subscribe to the Children's Cooking Connection channel and join me here in my Children's Cooking Connection kitchen. You don't need a complicated recipe, you just start here. With 1 egg, your child can learn how to crack it, how to whisk it, and with a few simple ingredients, cook it. I'll also put the scrambled egg recipe in the comments from today's video so that you can make this with your child this week. It feels simple because it is. You're not trying to teach them everything all at one time. You're giving them one small win. And that's how confidence in the kitchen starts for both of you. In my last video, I talked about how setting aside time to cook with your kids is essential for success. This is what it looks like. Keep it simple, keep it fun, let them do it. You're right there with them, guiding them as they go, but talk them through it and work together. Let them go ahead and crack the egg. Let them whisk it. You can use a fork or a whisk and then add a few simple ingredients and let them cook it. And what you're doing in that moment is so much bigger than 1 egg. You are raising capable kids in the kitchen and that changes everything. Now picture this. They sit down, take a bite of this warm, delicious, fresh scrambled egg, and look at you and say, I made this. You can see the confidence beginning to grow and just the excitement shining from their eyes. And that right there, that's what brings them back into the kitchen again. And once they feel that, you can build from there. So start with 1 egg. Also, don't forget to check out my video, Cook with Your Kids Without Losing Your Mind, where I give you 5 awesome tips how to start cooking with your kids in the kitchen on a regular basis. So again, if you want more tips and tricks on how to successfully cook with your kids in the kitchen, please like my videos and subscribe to my Children's Cooking Connection channel. I'd love to have you join me. Thanks for watching and have a great day.